Hey guys, today I have a makeup haul and I'm so excited, so let's get straight into it. The first thing isn't makeup and it's also PR, but I just want to show you guys. I got sent this package from Lucid Skincare and I think it's really sweet because they send a little Beyond Blue card in with it, which I just think is so nice. So it tells you like, it has like their phone number, their email, and like where you can chat online, which I just think is such a good idea because this is so important. Like, you never know who's going to be receiving this and who might really need it. And Lucid Skincare also donate $1 from every single product sold. So say if you buy 5 products on their website, that'll be $5 that they donate to Beyond Blue, which I just think is so sweet and such a good idea and just so like amazing. I really like that. I do have a discount code with them. It's just SoJo10. This isn't sponsored or anything. It was only when I got my parcel yesterday that I started looking into their products and on the Instagram and stuff, and when I saw all that, and I just thought that was really important to share because I feel like that's really important and really sweet. But they sent over 2 products. They sent over their Hydrating Serum, and it says skin healing properties, smooths and brightens, leaving the skin refreshed and nourished. So I'm very excited to try this. My skin can use all the hydration it can get. And then I also get their moisturizer. Lightweight and hydrating, leaving skin feeling smooth and calm. So I'm so excited to try those. I actually filmed a skincare first impression last night, but I'll definitely be filming another one soon. And I'll try these out. I'm really excited. So thank you so much to Lucid Skincare. I really appreciate that. I also got sent something from Blusher. She sent me this for a giveaway, which I'm so excited. Whoever wins this giveaway will get a starter pack and a scrunchie and a beautiful gift box. So I'm so excited. So I'll have that giveaway coming up soon, so make sure you keep an eye out. And I also told her that I was running low, and she sent me over another like top up of my starter kit, which was just so sweet and so lovely of her. I honestly appreciate it so much. But that's already in my bathroom. But yeah, I did just want to mention that because that was very generous of her, so thank you so much, Katrina. I really appreciate that. Then I did a Mecca order. I only got a few things, but I'm really excited. The first thing I got was the Clinique Take Off the Day Balm. I've used up a whole tub of this, so I had to get a fresh one. Like, there is a lot of product in this. How much? 125 mils. Like, that's you don't need much of this at all, and I use the whole thing. Like, I feel like that is an achievement, but I'm so happy to have another one. I really missed it. Then I got the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Body Scrub. I'm so excited. This is huge. I did not realize it was this big. I think it's like $60 or something, which makes sense as to why it is so big though, because it's huge. But I'm so excited to try this out. Look at it. It's massive. Like, that is a big scrub. I'm just trying to find out how many mils. 220 grams, so that's a lot of scrub, and this smells so good. It smells like their Bum Bum cream. Oh, I'm so excited. I want to eat it, honestly, but yeah, I'm definitely going to try that out. I'll let you guys know how I go. I could eat it. I could honestly eat it. Also from Sol de Janeiro, I got this little Kiss Your Crush pack. And it comes with the Brazilian Crush Spray and the Brazilian Kiss Lip Butter. And I've been using the lip butter since I got it. I got it yesterday and it's so nice. So you get a little mini Brazilian Crush Spray, and I just love the way this smells. It smells so good. Like, I'm obsessed. I think I'm gonna like use this up super quick. Oh, love it. And then it also comes with a little Brazilian Kiss lip butter, and this is just such a nice formula. Oh, I love it. And once again, it has the same scent. I love it. I never ever, like, this is probably my favorite scent of life. So yeah, that was everything I got from Mecca. And then I did a Colourpop. Oh, well, this is actually 2 Colourpop orders, but still. Alright, I got a lot in here, so let's talk. So the first thing I got was the Soul Body Glow Oil. I got mine in the shade... How do you know what shade it is? It doesn't say. There must be a way to know, because how would they know, like, when they put it in? That's so weird. I'm so confused. How do they know? Like, it says on the actual thing, but not on the box. Which I think that's weird, right? It's definitely not on here. Anyway, this is the Soul Body Glow Oil in the shade of Pink Champagne. I've been trying this out ever since I got it, and it's amazing. It smells so good. It smells kind of like coconut. Oh, I don't know, like it's just a really nice scent, and it's so beautiful. So like it's just so glowy and such a pretty shade. I think I've got a few more of these coming in the mail, and I'm so excited. It's so beautiful, and when you go out in the sun it just looks so nice. I can't wait for summer so I can start, like, you know, put it on before I go out and stuff. But yeah, I love it. So I got that. Then I got 2 of the Colourpop X Sailor Moon palettes. I got one for a giveaway and one for me, so I'll open the one that is for me. I've never seen Sailor Moon, but this palette is so beautiful, I had to buy it. It's called the Pretty Guardian palette. I wanted more of this collection, but all of it was sold out, so this is a palette. I'm sure you guys have seen it so many times, how it like moves, like first she's smiling and then she opens her mouth, you know? I don't know if you guys can see that, like there she is, she's smiling, she's opening her mouth, you know? So cute. And then the actual palette itself is so beautiful. I do really like it. I can't wait to do a video on this. I just think it's really pretty. It's really like pastel. Beautiful palette. I'm so excited. But yeah, so I got one for me, and I also got one for a giveaway. So next I got another of the All the Glitters palette. I bought myself one, I don't know, like a couple of weeks ago, and then I loved it, so I thought I will buy one for a giveaway. I just want to open it to show you guys how it looks. Oh, it's so beautiful. I love it. So yeah, one of you guys will be getting that. Stunning. I got a fair bit of the Colourpop X Candyland collab. So the first thing I got was the Super Shock Cheek. And this one's in the shade Gummy More. And it's a little blush. It's so cute. That's the packaging there, like such cute packaging. And then this is the actual thing here. Like this is just such a cute blush. It doesn't, oh, it smells like sweet. Yum. Yeah, that's how it looks there. So beautiful. So I got that for myself. I'm gonna do a whole video on the Colourpop Land collection. Then I got 2 of the Feeling Plumpy face milk sets. So I got one for a giveaway, one for me. I'll put this one in the giveaway. So it comes with 3 of the little face milks. So I'm gonna open it up. This is a little packaging here. And then this is how the little face milks look. They're so cute. So it comes with watermelon, papaya, and coconut. I just want to smell them. I don't even know what these are meant to do. Oh, that smells so good. Is this like a moisturizer? Apply 2 to 3 drops into palms, warm between hands, and gently press into skin. Use when needed. Oh yes, it says our watermelon, papaya, and coconut face milks all hydrate and moisturize for super soft and supple skin. So I'm really excited to try those. I'll let you guys know how I go with them, but I'm really excited. Then I got the little, what's this called? Queen Frosty Pixie Puff Highlight. I think this packaging is so cute. It's not going to fit in my drawer, I already know that, but I don't care. I feel like I love this collection, honestly. It was so cute. I'm so glad I got to pick it up. It's got little stickers holding it in place, but I can't get them off. I'm gonna have to get my tweezers. Oh my god. Why is this so hard to get off? Okay, I just ended up cutting it. I feel like that was the only way. Oh no, it ripped my little box. Oh well. Okay. Let's have... Oh my god, I'm just spilling everything today. Damn it. So, it comes with this cute little puff. That is so sweet. And then this is like the actual highlighter in here. I don't know, like... how you're meant to use this, if you're meant to use it like an actual highlighter, if it's meant to be more of like a body thing. I'll probably just use it like an actual highlighter. Yeah, I'll swatch it for you guys because I feel like you can't really... Ooh, it's a very, very pretty shade. It's beautiful. It's like very like icy. That's really nice. Okay, yay, I'm excited. And I love the little puff, that is so cute. So yeah, I got that. Then I got the palette. I wasn't gonna get it, but I was like, I can't do a review on the whole collection and not get the palette. So this is the Candy Castle. And it looks like this. Oh, it's so cute. It's very like pastel and very like, quite a light palette, but it's cute, you know. So that's how it looks there. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm going to do a review on this whole collection. It'll probably be coming soon. And then also from the collection, I got the little Princess Lolli Roller Gloss. So this is how it looks here. I think it's meant to smell like something like bubblegum or something, isn't it? This reminds me of my childhood so much. This is so nice. Why do more people not do roller glosses? Like, do you guys remember like the grape ones? It's hard to tell if it has a smell or not. Or like a scent. But yeah, I think it kind of tastes, yeah, kind of like bubbly gummy. I don't know. Just kind of sweet. It's really cute though. And then the last thing from the collection I got were the glowing lip balms. So I got 4. I got all 3 shades for myself, and then I got 1 other shade for a giveaway. So I got the shade Peppermint Frost for a giveaway. So I'll show you all the shades now. Or actually I might just show you one, because I'll show you them in my review. But this is the packaging. It's so cute. The little man. I've never played Candyland. I don't think it was an Australian thing. Like, I think it's an American thing. And then it has like the little candy canes all on the little lip balm. And this one here is called Let's Chill. I don't really like the smell of them. They have a weird after smell. But like, they just have a little bit of a tint to them. They're really pretty. Yeah, I've never played Candyland. The way I found out what Candyland was from Dickie Roberts, because they played it, like, they played it with the kids or whatever. But yeah, I have never played it. I feel like I want to buy it. Anyway, the next 2 things I got for giveaways, I got the Main Squeeze palette. This one is so cute. It looks like a little watermelon. It's weird that it looks like a watermelon actually, because it has like no green in it, but anyway. Yeah, that's how it looks there. There's a little smudge on the mirror. I don't know what that's from. That wasn't me, so if you get this in a giveaway, promise I wasn't fiddling with your palette. But yeah, this is how it looks here. It's really cute. It'd be so cute if they had like a green shimmer or something, like to match the watermelon theme, but still. And then I got another palette for a giveaway, and this is the Ooh La La palette. Super pretty, super pink. Oh wow, that's so cute. Oh my god, this one has like a little bit of fallout. It looks dirty. It looks like I've like fiddled with it. This is like the first time I've opened it. That's really annoying, but anyway, that's a really pretty palette. Super cute. So yeah, I got that. And then the rest of the stuff I got is for myself. I got some of the Wild Nothing collection, so I'm gonna do a collection video on this one too. First I got the palette, of course. I do really like this palette. I think it's really cute. I love the whole theme of this collection, like the whole like desert vibe. I think that's super pretty. I don't think I bought everything from the collection, but I bought a bit. I bought 2 of the Jelly Much shadows. We have Mojave Moves and Mystical. So they just look like this. Don't worry, I'll show them to you guys in the review, so I'll swatch them and everything then. And then I also got the Pressed Powder Cheek in... There's no shade on this box once again. That's oh yes, there is, sorry. It's called Crossroads. So this is the packaging. I just love it. I think that is such cute packaging. And like, look at the packaging of this actual like compact. Like, that is so cute. So yeah, this one's called Crossroads. I don't know if it's gonna be a bit too dark. It honestly kind of looks like a bronzer. But anyway, it's so pretty. So that was everything I got from the Wild Nothing collection. I also have like the lip oils, but like I've already shown them to you guys. They came in a different parcel. And then I think these two were from the I don't even like the tie-dye thing. I just need to like confirm that because I already have like the tie-dye palettes. I just need to know, like, is that what it was called? Is that what these are from? I don't know. There's so many collections that I can't keep up, you know? Yeah, so in the tie-dye collection, there was actually like a fair bit in the palette, in the collection, sorry, but I didn't get it all. All I got was the 3 palettes. It came with the cream gel liners, I didn't get that. It came with another highlight. I got one of the highlights. It came with 2 highlights, I only got 1. It came with the glitter gel, which I got. It came with the Rainbow Glow Shimmering Dry Oil, which I didn't get. And there's also something else there, but I can't, like, it won't show me what it is. I think it looks like a face milk or something. But yeah, anyway, so I got 3 things, well, 5 things if you count the palettes like as separate things. But yeah, this was the tie-dye collection. I didn't buy it when it came out, like I bought it like a few weeks after, which is why I only got these few things, otherwise I would have got a few more things. But anyway, I got the You're a Trip Super Shock highlighter, and I didn't realize like it was gonna be this big. Like, what the hell? This is like as big as my face. But anyway, this one's in the shade You're a Trip, and it's like so stunning. Let's do a swatch. Beautiful! Yeah, that's stunning. Really, really nice. Love it. And then the last thing I got was the Colourpop Glitterly Obsessed Body Glitter in Glam Rock. But I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna use this on my eyes, which I'm probably not meant to, but it's so beautiful. It smells weird, but look at it. It is such a stunning shade, like, so beautiful. It's like, hang on, let me show you. Okay, it's like, has like green, yellow, gold through it. It's like so beautiful. Can't really see it. I've swatched it in the worst place. Honestly, why did I do that? Here's some on my finger. Like, so pretty, isn't it? But yeah, that is everything in my haul. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see any reviews, make sure you keep your eye out because they will be coming soon. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!